In today's video, we'll learn how to blur photo background in Canva. So for us to be able to begin, let's add in our photo first in here, and you could upload your photo here onto the left side. So since this is just for a tutorial, let's use the stock photos that we could see here onto elements. So let's try to find in any photo, for example, a portrait. So we're going to try to click onto that, and then let's add in some photos in here. So we could try to use this photos. And then right after, to go ahead and blur the background for this, just click onto the photo and then click onto edit image. Here on edit image, there is a magic wrap option. So if you click onto that, and then it will go ahead and dissociate it with the background. So just click onto grab, and as you can see, it is already a different photo from its background. So you'll just have to click onto the background in here, and then right after, you'll just need to add in the effects in here, and we have blur. Click onto the blur in here, and then you could adjust intensity to make it very blurry. So, and then we could also add in the blur for the whole image. Blur it as per your liking and up until 80. And if you go ahead and head back, it will go ahead and blur the photo background. And that is just basically it, how you blur a photo background in Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.